Let me tell you something very important today. Please listen carefully. You can change the way you learn English forever. I promised you something. I promised you that you can speak English well, fluently, confidently, without studying grammar rules. Yes, without grammar books, without memorizing tenses, without confusion. And today, I will show you exactly how to do that. Please relax, smile, and trust the process. For many years, people told you one lie. They said, first learn grammar, then speak. But that is wrong. Completely wrong. Children don't learn grammar rules. They speak perfectly. Native speakers do not think. They do not think, oh, this is past tense, oh, this is present perfect. No, they just speak. So today, I want you to throw your grammar books away from here. Yes, throw it away. Because now I will teach you a simple, easy, powerful method. This method is called Point of View Stories. Remember the name Point of View Stories. And I truly believe this is the best way to learn English grammar. Not only English grammar, but any language grammar. Now listen carefully. Point of view story is a small story, a simple story, but we tell the same story again and again in different time zone. Sometimes in the past, sometimes in the present, and sometimes in the future. The story is the same, only the time changes. And when the time changes, the grammar changes naturally. You do not study grammar. You absorb grammar. You do not think, you feel. This is the key. When you listen again and again, your brain learns grammar without your permission. Yes, without your permission. This is called intuitive learning, subconscious learning. And this is how native speakers learn. Point of view stories are easy, they are fun, they are natural, and most importantly, they work. Instead of studying boring grammar rules, you understand meaning, you remember stories, and grammar enters your brain silently. This idea did not start yesterday. It was first developed by a teacher named Blaine Ray. He was a Spanish teacher in California in the 1990s. He saw the students were bored, confused, frustrated, grammar drills were not working. So he created a new system called TPRS. That means Total Physical Response Storytelling. His idea was simple. If students hear simple stories, they will learn naturally. And when we discovered this idea, we immediately knew its power and we changed it, improved it, and made it part of our Power English course. Today, point of view stories are one of the most important parts of learning English naturally. Now, let me explain how it works. First, you listen a main story. Usually, this is in the past tense. When it talks about things that already happened, then you listen to the same story again, but now in the present. After that, you listen again, it is in the future. Sometimes we add another version, a version where something started in the past and continues until now. This is called perfect tense. So, what is happening? You are hearing the same story again and again, but your brain notices the changes, and without thinking, you learn grammar. No tense names, no rules, no confusion, just understanding. And here is something very important. We only use common grammar, real grammar, daily grammar, not rare grammar. For example, he slept for 6 hours. This is very common. But he will have been sleeping for 6 hours. This is very rare. So we focus on what people actually use because your goal is communication, not grammar exams. You only need to listen these stories a few times every day. Do not analyze, do not think. Please quit your analytical mind. Relax. Just enjoy the story. Your brain will do the work. Now, let me tell you something very interesting. There was a psychologist named Dr. James Asher. He discovered something powerful. When students move their bodies, they learn faster. So he created a method called Total Physical Response. He said things like stand up and students stood up. Then he said sit down, then students sat down. Students understood without translating. Later, students followed the commands and later they understood complex sentences too, all without grammar rules. This method later becomes storytelling. Now, let me give you a very simple story. Please listen it slowly. There is a boy, his name is Rohan. Rohan goes to the store, he buys a bottle of water. He pays $2 for the bottle. That's it. Very simple, very easy. Now we tell the same story, but this time in the past. There was a boy named Rohan. Yesterday, he went to the store. He bought a bottle of water. He paid $2 for the bottle. That's all. Now the future. There will be a boy, his name will be Rohan, he will go to the store and he will buy a bottle of water and he will pay $2 for the bottle. Do you see? You did not study grammar, but you understood everything. Now imagine listening to these stories every day for at least 7 days, your brain learns automatically. You don't say, oh, this is past tense. No, you just understand. And later, when you speak, the correct grammar comes out naturally. This is not only magic, but this is science too. You are training like an athlete, not learning rules, building skills. Now, when you listen, I want you to imagine something. Imagine a line. Behind you is the past. In front of you is the future. When you hear past story, imagine it behind you. When you hear the future story, so imagine that in front of you. This makes learning deeper. And remember, listening is the key to speaking. Grammar must be learnt with your ears, not with your eyes. Native speakers have a feeling. They feel what sounds right. And you will also have to get this feeling. One day, you will know grammar is correct without thinking. That day, you are free. Grammar study makes people feel stupid, but they are not stupid. They only learnt knowledge, not skill. But you need skill. A point of view stories give you that skill. Now here is a small exercise. Find a simple story you like. Only in easy words. Maximum 5 new words. Ask a teacher or friend to rewrite it in the past tense, then present tense and then future tense, and record it. Then listen every day. Just listen and your grammar will grow automatically. And it will be effortlessly too. This is how you speak English. Like a native, keep listening, keep trusting, and keep moving forward. And remember, you do not learn English grammar, you become grammar. Hello friends, if you like this video and if you want the video like this, so please subscribe the channel. Thank you very much.